Right. So, Angela, welcome on board. Thank you for taking the time out to be here today. I really just want to talk to you more about your fantastic win, excuse me, in regards to you getting a sale at 3K. You up leveled yourself. You just by being here, you raised your price, and I just wanted you to tell me more about that.
Yeah, so this was actually a previously unvalidated offer. Um, I actually had only offered level four programs before, and my last level four I sold for 2,200, and this time I pivoted to increase my sales price to 29.97. And so I'm not offering slides, it's just coaching.
Mhm.
And I really felt like just having the modeling from Michael, who was the one that onboarded me, like being a part of watching him and like witnessing firsthand the closer process that he walked me through to join this program actually like somehow went in, I think, on like a deeper level than I realized. And so the next day when I had a consult, I felt so much more relaxed. And I feel like I was modeling a lot of those like similar things that I noticed from like the call that I had with him.
Mhm.
And then even though I didn't close with her on that day, because I'm like, trying to learn so rapidly, like the calls that I had with her went so well. And it's really changed the way that I've been viewing my consults and my discovery sessions. So I really feel like this program and just being around everyone in the program and watching the videos have already helped me so much to give me the confidence to be able to not just get to the core of my clients' problems that much better, but I feel like it's helped me in terms of confidence as to what my own offer is.
Mhm.
So that felt like a really big win for me because I probably had like 20 consults at that trying to validate this new rate, which felt like such a stretch for me.
Yep.
And so it was after I said yes to this program and started diving in is when like I finally had my first sale at that new level.
Amazing, amazing, amazing. So, before
Yeah.
joining COA, then where were you? Where were you before joining COA?
So I've had, one-on-one clients and I had already been like practicing on increasing my rates and things, but I feel like my own closing rate has kind of been inconsistent, even though I have been able to make sales. And it actually had probably been a month since I was really able to close anyone, which was kind of rare for me. But there was just something that clicked for me that really felt like it provided a shift.
Amazing.
So
hmm
yeah, so I'm not like a brand new person to selling, but I will say for whatever reason with me and selling groups, it's always been really, really hard. It's always been a challenge.
hmm
And um, there's something about this process that has just made it feel so much easier for me. And it also let me know where I was at and also gave me the awareness that I was actually doing something that I had up leveled in two areas, not really realizing it. And so that there was a gap that I was closing, and I was really trying to do that without support.
Awesome.
So I feel like having support really made a huge difference in that and being able to do that. So my plan is to go forward and continue to practice the closer process and to continue to enroll that group.
Amazing. Amazing. And so, for yourself, what have you enjoyed the most about COA and working with us? I mean, some people say it's the process, so it's the main program and it being easy to follow with step-by-step modules. Some people say
Mhm.
there's support that we're there for you every step of the way, week to week, and we're here to answer all your questions live or in the group. Other
Mhm.
people say it's the assets, so the funnels, templates, the closer process, as you quite rightly have been
Mhm.
mentioning. Yeah, like what did you like the best? What have you enjoyed the most?
Um, it's so hard to say because I literally joined what, like 3 days, like 4 days ago.
Hmm.
The like first thing I really loved really was meeting your coaches. Like Michael was really amazing and him modeling that process for me, it was huge. Like it changed my own experience of buying actually,
Mm.
which impacted me a lot. And then from there, I just think like the follow up was amazing. I got onboarded very quickly. Like I've just enjoyed all of the energy and the support of all the coaches and Ed in the program. And not just that, but like the other students are amazing. Like they're amazing. Like I've already done two of the calls and just like it's like I'm learning so much every day at such a rapid rate. I'm having so many aha moments because
Mm.
I've been trying to do this for a long time without really having like a steady process. And I already know that this is going to fill in so many gaps for me. So I can't say that I can pick like one favorite thing. Like I'm already really, really grateful to have found this and to be here. Like truly, I really mean that. So
Amazing,
yeah,
amazing,
yeah.
amazing. And what would you tell someone who was thinking about joining COA then?
I would say, well, first off, for me, like I just knew that I wanted to do it. Like I had that knowing. And of course, like I think when you're investing in anything at a high level, like of course there's always that fear there. But I think that if they just feel into it, they'll probably like if they've been roaming and trying to like do all these different things, like I think they will really thank themselves for investing in a system because it's like crazy to try to do it by yourself. It really is. Like there's no need, like save yourself time, save yourself money, like get the massive support, get like there's so many resources, like you get a community, like it's already to me been so worth it and I know it's just going to be up from here. Even just being exposed to this for 4 days, like I
Yes.
already know.
Amazing, amazing. Okay, well, Angela, look, fantastic result once again, up-leveling yourself for sure. And I'm really excited to just see where your journey is going to take you, right? As you said, you've only been here for less than a week,
I
right?
know. Yeah, I'm actually the most excited I think I've ever been out of like anything I've done in a long
Yes,
time. Like I
yes.
feel really, really good. Like I feel the sense of being able to relax, knowing that
Uh-huh.
there's a structure here. And this for me has been like, I know this has been the missing piece for me. So yeah, I am also really, really excited. So
Fantastic,
I can't wait.
fantastic. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Okay, so many more things to come for sure. Thank
Mhm.
you so much for taking the time to be here today, and let's just keep on cranking it through. Okay, you ready? You ready for more sales?
I am. I'm ready.
Amazing, amazing, amazing.